right, Julie. Show me your handstand. That's pretty good. Do it again. Okay, let's try starting with your hands on the floor. And I want you guys to watch at the tilting of her hips when she goes up. Go ahead and keep your eyes there. Okay, cool. That was really
aligned.
Yeah, that was pretty good. How did that feel?
Good.
Good.
The alignment was better. And I notice I go like this sometimes versus bringing this in.
Yeah. So the first times, when there's more momentum, if it's one action, hands up and over, it's harder to control. It can be easier for when people are first learning to get your body overhead. If you're someone that struggles to get your feet to the wall, then I encourage you to use momentum. But for someone that can kick up, in an effort to create just a more stable practice, we can start with the hands down. So go ahead, put your hands down. And to prevent your fingers from walking forward, use the fingertips pushing down. Okay, so see if you can almost like rebound back if you find that your body weight is taking you overhead. Pressing the fingertips down tends to move the body back. Okay, and then as you were discussing, the first couple times the front of your pelvis dropped forward. So like she said, we want to feel the front of the pelvis pull toward the belly button. Okay, so go ahead, lift a leg up. And then swing down and up. Be more bold. Yes? Okay. That was awesome.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to support you. This next time when you kick up, let's try the technique of pulling this knee into your chest.
Okay.
Let's see how that goes. Because right now, your legs get kind of caught like this, and the hips start to splay open a little bit. So let's see if we can use some of the inner thighs hugging together, scissoring in, along with the knee drawing to the chest.
Cool.
Okay?
Cool.
And where are your eyes? Okay. Let's try moving it back a little bit because your body keeps going this way. So we're moving your gaze back to discourage your body from flopping overhead.
Okay.
Better. And then talk to these guys to help stay overhead too. Yes? Good. Do it again. How do you think you get off of my hand? From here. Good. Inner thighs. Yes. Do that again. Ah. Awesome. Stay. Stay. I told you to stay. What was up with that?
But you feel it. You feel that full, like, it's like a string pulling you up.
Yeah, that was awesome. Okay, so one last note I'm going to just throw in. When you were stuck here, this hip opened up.
I know, I do that.
So we want to practice feeling that internal rotation. So what's happening is her leg kind of opens this way. So we're taking, in Anusara, they talk about inner spiraling the thighs. That's what you want to do to get your hips a little more stable.
Okay.
Okay? Awesome. Do it again, but better this time. Ribs. Okay. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Yay! That was awesome!
That was fun.
Yeah, you're natural. Good work.
Cool.
Yay! Now you give it a try.
Calling me.